How to change audio format in Audiate. First of all, open your project in Audiate and make sure all your edits are finalized before exporting. This includes trimming, applying effects, and adjusting the volume, because once you export, those changes are locked into the audio file. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on File and then Export button. Then select Export Audio. A new window will pop up with several export options. Under the File Format section, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it to choose your desired audio format. Audiate supports popular formats like WAV, MP3, M4A, and MP4 depending on your needs. Below the Format option, you will find settings for resolution, sample rate, and channels. Adjust the resolution, bit depth if this option is available, as it affects the dynamic range and quality of your audio. Set the sample rate as well. Common choices are 44.1 kHz for music and 48 kHz for video projects. Keep in mind that higher sample rates can capture more audio detail but will also increase the file size. You can also choose the number of channels, such as mono or stereo, based on your project requirement. Once you have configured these settings, select your destination folder and enter a file name. Then click Save to save your audio file with the chosen format and specifications. The file will be saved in the format you selected, ready to be shared, uploaded, or archived. And that's it. Now you know how to change the audio format in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.